Hello guys and girls, in this video I'm gonna show you my room and my floors, shower room and toilet, so stay tuned if you're interested in KSA's dormitory. Alright, seniors floor has green doors and huge KSA logo, as you can see. Actually, everything in KSA has this logo. There are even socks with this logo. Anyway, on the left side, we have an iron cabinet where we put our laptops at night and we need to submit them by 11:20 p.m. Next, we have a toilet room, but I will show you this later. And here, in the end of the hallway, we can see my luggage and of course my room. It's super far. As you can see, there are my boxes, which means I'm still not done with unpacking. And there's me, freshman year's face, and my roommate. Let's enter my room. And welcome to my small but comfy room. This is small cute Santa, but my friends are scared of him. In the corner we have stand for footwear. There are only my shoes because my roommate didn't come back yet. Let's change our outside slippers to inside ones. This is my bed. I didn't put my bed sheets because I gave them to laundry and it's closed now. This is my desk where I put all my school stuffs and also some food. This is new KSA calendar for 2019 year. My small bag with my cute trinkets. My backpack and cute trinket with my name on it. And this one is from China. Here I put my pencil cases, stickers, and so on. And here I put my tea and some snacks that I usually eat. Under my desk I have my trash can and plastic box for some random stuffs. This is my laundry box. My coat. My baby polar bear. And also we have AC. From the window we can see the laundry and boys' dorm. And now let's move to the toilet and shower room. Hi! Actually, KSA has a lot of mirrors, especially in the toilets and also in cafeteria. Maybe in future videos I will show you. These are my stuffs: toothpaste, toothbrush, and my cleansing creams. And here's our throne. Time for shower room. Another mirror where you can see your body after shower or before shower. Oh, that's mine. These small wardrobes are for your clothes and stuffs before you go to shower. And you just come back and of course you take them, obviously. Here we put our baskets and we take them when we shower, we put it back after shower, or you can just simply take them to your room if you don't like to put them there. And this is the place where we shower. This is whole shower room, and also we have toilets inside shower room. So if you have some problems, you can just go and do them there. There are 3 doors, so you can just take shower simply in open place you like to be seen naked, or you can just simply go inside those. Let's see my room after my unpacking. So guys, this is after unpacking and my roommate already came. And this is how my room looks completely. So this is her bed, and this is my bed. And if you turn off the lights, you can see my pretty lights. Yeah, that's my pretty place at night. And this is my crocodile. Look how big is he. I actually got it from my classmate. I just saw it and I was like, oh my god, so pretty. And I was like joking, can I have it? Then he said yes, of course. And there's my Stitchy, Pink Panthera, and Stitch's girlfriends over there. My lights, it looks weird, but yeah, I cannot tape them on the wall because it would fall. That's my bed. This is my roommate's desk. That's my coat and my complete desk. A lot of food, Avengers, then books. here are like kind of books, but here are my notebooks. I got my schedule, and this is my friend Bogdan. He is in a newspaper club, and he asked me what to write, like which music, and I said Good Cry by Noah Cyrus, and yeah, he wrote it. I like it, so I put it on my desk. And yeah, my eyeglasses, water bottle, phone, food, bag, everything, and yeah, my everything. Yeah, that's all. And thumbs up and
진짜 같이?
와,
I like it. In English?
it doesn't matter. You can say thumbs up,
구독, 좋아요,
subscribe,
구독,
and what was there? Share
공유해주세요.
and comment.
댓글.
와, bye.
바이바이.
안녕.
안녕.
Don't forget to give big thumbs up. Yeah, like my crocodile does. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.